Often in the course of operating your sign service business, you'll have to create a custom mileage fee table to accommodate special requirements of certain major accounts or specific customers based on their location. This tutorial discusses how you can create custom mileage fee tables for specific offices. Let's review briefly what you have to do to set these up. Well, first thing is to make sure that you have your standard or primary mileage fee table all set up if you've not done so already. Most licensees already have this. This basically describes the service areas that you go to by zip code, the fees you charge for each of those areas, and the days of service if you don't go there daily for each of these areas. Once you've done that, filter in your offices and agents screen to find the office that you want to create a mileage fee table for, and then use the edit button to enable the custom mileage fee rates feature. Once you've done that, you can in the upper right then select the mileage rates button. The system will present to you the default rates from your standard table, and you can just simply go ahead and edit those. Now, you can also copy rates from another office if you've already done one before. And if you've done actually more than one, all the available rate tables will be displayed, so you can simply copy them and get a big jump start on that work. Go ahead and edit the rates as you desire. And to choose the rate you want to fix, you can, of course, use the basic filters by city, state, zip, rate, price range, that kind of thing. And as you're editing, all your changes will be automatically saved. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Now we're here in our dashboard of our test database. First thing I'm going to do is just take a look at our basic primary mileage fee table, make sure it's all set, and we can see that it is. So we've got the areas that we service by zip code, we've got the various fees that we charge, and we have the basic days of weeks enumerated that we're going to work with. We can then go to our offices and agents tab and find the office that we want to create a custom table for. In this case, I'm going to choose AAA Super Sales Realty. We're going to go ahead and hit the edit button and then enable custom mileage rates. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and choose what mileage rate table we want to work with. Now, again, this is the first one we've done, so it pre-fills all the defaults from our standard table. If we want to work with a specific zip code area, we can filter for those. If we're worried about a specific town that we want to give a discount to, we can do that. Or we can simply say, give us all the rates that are greater than 0, for example, and go up to maybe $100, and just give me those to worry about. So here they are right here, and we can simply come in here, edit these numbers. In this case, they get a super discount, so just making these all 0. And once we have that done, we can go ahead and then simply exit from here and have those rates be set for them. Incidentally, if we wanted to enable rates for another office using the same pattern, we come over here and say enable custom mileage rates. We can come now here, and now that we have one done, we'll bulk load our default rates right here, standards. We can then copy rates from another office. Let's say we want to use the ones we just created for AAA Sales Realty. Go ahead and copy those, and now those are applied, and we're all set there. So you can rapidly go through your offices and create those custom tables. So let's review. You can create as many custom fee tables as you need to create. So whatever your business objectives are or territory needs are, you can create as many as you want. Note that the days of service, though, are going to be the same for all offices. Even though you charge different numbers for different areas depending on the customer, the days of service, the days that you go to service those areas will be the same for everybody. The custom mileage fees apply to offices only. So you can't actually create a custom rate for a specific individual. You can copy existing mileage rate tables from an existing instance to work on a new office, but note that these tables are not linked. What that means is if you have a custom table for one office and you copy it to another office, you have 2 copies. You change one, the other remains unchanged. And lastly, when you add new service zips to your primary mileage fee table, when you expand your business, be sure to add these zip codes to your custom tables. Keep track of how many you've created. If you lose track of them, if you create a new zip code, SignTraker will warn you that you've got these other ones that need to be fixed. So hopefully these have been helpful. If you have any questions, give us a ring or shoot us an email at info@signtraker.com.